Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will need the following things. We need some plate, we need pepper, we need some Ajax dishwashing soap, and we need milk. So let's start off with pouring the milk. Then you will put the pepper in.
And also we can imagine that this is the dirt or the germs on our hands. So this is gonna happen if we wash our hands in 20 seconds using dishwashing soap.
Then we put some soap in our hands and let's do this. Ooh, that's cool. And we do the other one. Whoa.
That's gonna happen if you wash your hands in 20 seconds.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope I see you in the next one.